So, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Diego. It's an all-expense paid trip by my company kasi top performer tayo. So, this is an incentive trip. So, ako lang yung Pinoy na nandito ngayon. Tapos, tatlo kaming Asians. Very thankful kasi we were allowed to bring +1. So, yung dinala kong +1, ayan, si Mother. Ang laid back. Na happy ka, ma?
First time ko.
Sa US. You're finally in the US.
Kasi libre ang pakapunta ko dito. First time.
So, ito yung hotel room. Nice, no? Ang lamig.
Mas malamig kay sir.
Sa lamig to, sir. Tagaytay
This
vibes.
is Tagaytay vibes during December. Wow. Wow, I feel great and blessed to be here in San Diego, California. Puro Inglesan.
Puro English tayo.
Puro
tonight.
Inglesan.
Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And welcome guys to USA. Nandito na tayo sa San Diego, California. Nandito na rin yung Uber natin. Tara ma, let's go. Uber tayo guys. It's our first day here in San Diego. Let's go. Hello. Ito pala yung San Diego. First time natin sa California. Dagat. Ito si Mother. First time in the USA.
Yeah. Thankful to God.
Ayan. May mga yacht. From airport to our hotel. Ito yung itsura niya. Later, more chika. Dito na tayo sa ating hotel. Pawala na yung boses ko, my gosh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa hotel natin guys. It's Coronado Island Marriott Resort and Spa. Ayun, sa Coronado area. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Diego. It's an all-expense paid trip by my company. Kasi top performer tayo. So, this is an incentive trip. So, ako lang yung Pinoy na nandito ngayon. Tapos, tatlo kaming Asians. So, yung isa, si Minsok from Korea. Yung isa, si Pure from Taiwan. And the rest, I think from the US and other parts of the world. So, yun, mga around 20 plus kaming nandito ngayon. Nakita ko na nga kanina, the boss of all bosses, si Amilcar. So, yun, it's just nice to have this opportunity. Very thankful kasi we were allowed to bring +1. So, yung dinala kong +1, ayan, si Mother, na busy kaka-cellphone. Yes, so, etong ating adventure for this vlog in San Diego, California. First time ko sa California, guys. Kung kayo ay mag-travel in the Philippines, in the US, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your travel items, activities, tours on Klook. And use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. For your hotels naman, you can book on Agoda and use my code DaveAgoda para maka-discount kayo, okay? So, ito yung itsura ng hotel natin. Nagla-lunch pa lang tayo. My gosh, my voice is struggling. Lagari talaga. Kasi, feeling ko itong kawalan natin lang boses. Galing to sa pagod. From Japan. Japan tayo ng April 3 to 11. So, April 11, actually nakalis tayo sa Japan alas 12 na eh. So, April 12 na rin yun. Dumating tayo sa Pilipinas mga around magti-3. Tama, magti-3. Tapos, alis from Philippines to US. Stopover natin sa Canada April 12, 9 a.m. So, imagine nasa airport tayo. Balik tayong NAIA 3 ng around 6 a.m. Nakakapagod, pero laban lang. After this, magpapahinga talaga ako after this US trip. Kasi magka-Canada pa tayo eh. We deserve a rest, diba? From traveling. Kasi Yung Japan natin, nabook ko na yun dati pa eh. Tapos itong US trip, na-inform lang tayo last month. Like agad-agad, the next month. E tayo from the Philippines, tayong layo pa natin. 'Di ba? Most of our colleagues naman ay from the US. Yung lilipad dito ngayon. Pero yeah, this is such a blessing. I'm not complaining. Yung mapunta tayo dito ng all expense paid trip. It's really a blessing. Good for two, no? Naloka si mama sa dami. Hanggang dinner na yan.
Hanggang dinner dito.
Ang laki nga. Ito may salmon, may avocado, broccoli to, no? Carrots. Di ko sure kung ano to. Ano to, guys? Parang seeds. Di ko sure kung ano yan. Tawag dyan. Tara, with this view. May tawag pala si mama dito, one dish meal. Yung kompleto, may fruits, may vegetables, may fish ka. Ayun. Marami nga lang. Ang dami. Kain tayo, guys.
Praise the Lord.
First meal, salmon. Ito yung itsura ng hotel sa second floor. I think hanggang third floor lang siya. So, may view doon ng dagat. And then, ito yung room natin. 265. Nakapasok na rin naman tayo. Oops. Charan! Ayan na, yung mga maleta namin. Nag-vlog ako Sabi ko, ayan na yung mga maleta namin. Tapos ito, ano to? Wow! Closet. Yaz, may plancha si Mayor. Nice. Ito yung room rates nila. $329 to $1,500 per night. Si mama nag-freshen up kasi sabi ko, ma-picture muna tayo sa labas before tayo matulog kasi matulog muna kami habang ng trip natin eh. Tapos mamaya may dinner. So ito yung hotel room. Nice, no? So kanina may workmate na us may colleague from Chicago siya. Tapos siya yung unang naman send. Di ko siya na-recognize. Kinilig ako sa part na yun kasi sabi niya, "You're Dave, right? You were the presenter. You're a good presenter." Charing. Ano yun? Kasi ako yung nag-host ng event namin sa Florida. Buti naman na gusto na yung hosting natin. So I feel happy every time we get appreciated by people. Kasi feeling ko we Pinoys are capable of being on a global stage. Wow! Ang Emmy. Pero diba, teka lang, labas nga ako ay. Ito. Pupul ko muna ito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung balcony. May balcony. May konting view naman ng dagat. Di ko sure kung cherry blossoms yung nakita natin ngayon. This is the balcony. May malaking TV sila dito. Ito naman yung CR. Taray ng pa-bathtub. Ito, malaking mirror. Then, yung toilet bowl. And then, the shower room. Ano ma? Na-happy ka sa balcony? Yeah. Flowers! Ano ma? Lagi. Boulevard. Tara, pagtasunta na lang, Adi. Para ibang experience. Ka-nice. Let's go. Spring season. Nice yung flowers. Pamilya ta, Adi.
Wow, man. Beach party.
Ang laid back. Saturday ngayon eh. May pedicab, oh.
May dagat.
Na-happy ka, ma?
Siyempre. First time ko.
Sa US. You're finally in the US.
Happy and grateful to the Lord. Kasi libre ang pakapunta ko dito. First time.
Sure. Mas happy kapag libre.
Asya.
Ganda ng hotel.
Kasing saya.
May pool dito. Relax lang ang magpapamilya dyan. Ikaw, gusto mo mag-swimming pool?
Okay. Go swimming pool. Hindi
Mahugap.
pa ito nang lulura. Diba't nagningihi. Awadit na ako kasi kuhan.
May kampalatak viewers ka maarte. Coronado Island Resort. Ay, ang ganda dito.
Ito man, may karato lang. Coronado.
Hanap kami ng mga picturesque areas. Ang luwag pa pala ng hotel area, oh. Meron pa dun. Dito na lang. Feeling ko, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, mas stunning naman talaga yung mga ganitong klase ng resort sa Pilipinas. Kasi white sand beach yung bungad sa inyo. Pero okay na rin. The hotel is near the hospital. California Republic. Ayan na yung flag ng US. Ang cool kids naman nito. Ang cute pa. Gusto mo magpa-picture dyan?
Yeah.
Sige. Ganda namang kotse dito. Karay, President's Club event. President Club. Yeah.
Award trip.
World.
Award trip.
World. Award. Award trip, correct. This is an award trip. So these are the top performers from all over the world. Taiwan is beautiful. Taiwan. I've been there twice. Yeah, in Taiwan.
Taiwan to the 101.
Of course, I wasn't able to go to the top, but the Taipei 101 shopping, eating, Din Tai Fung. Yeah. Let's eat. Kamusta, Ma?
Chicken.
Anong pagkain mo dyan?
Oh, ang dami. With salad.
Non-stop eating.
Non-stop eating.
Non-stop
Since
eating
yesterday.
since yesterday. Non-stop eating since yesterday. Not complaining though. Malamig guys, like aircon lamig na malakas-lakas. Yun. Mukha pang makulimlim. Sabi ni DeAndre, yung friend natin, taga Nielsen. Isa daw ang San Diego sa pinakamagandang lugar dito sa US. Itong San Diego, California. Nakaka-overwhelmed to be here because I'm with the best of the best in the company. Wala. We made it here. And hard work. The hard work. I'm what? You are joking pure. High level?
You are high level.
No. No, I'm not high level. Sakto lang.
She's very brave because she has
Yeah, you
like
too.
you.
Just like you. And you're in broadcasters, right? You're in broadcasters and publishers under Catherine Kim. Yeah. So that's pure from Taiwan. May isa pa kami kasamang Asian. It's Minsok.
It's not easy to make a president platform in any company. This is an award for you guys, so take advantage. Please don't work.
I cannot not work. I cannot not work.
And enjoy the dinner and have fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is the first one.
This is the first one.
Also, give suggestions for what you want to see every.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ang ganda pala dito sa gabi. Ang nice. It's nice.
Ito dito may pool.
Heart shape. Ay, joke kasi heart shape. Ang lamig. Mas malamig ta sa aircon, no?
Mas malamig kay sir.
Sa lamig to sir. Ito yung office lamig pala. Alam yung office lamig na parang naka-maximum yung aircon. Ito siya. Love from Coronado. Look, sige.
Love from Coronado.
Sige, picturean ko ikaw. Our hotel room. Ano ma?
Bakit tagaytay itiyak klima, condition mo rin.
Oh,
Out of Coronado po. Hospital.
Tagaytay.
As if
Tagaytay
this
vibes.
is Tagaytay vibes during December. Wow.
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 Same na same talaga kita ma-amaze.
Yeah.
May balcony. San Diego at night.
It is Coronado Hospital. Wow, we're just near the hospital.
And I hope hindi natin yan magamit, ang hospital na yan.
Yeah, of course. Not hoping.
Lamig, lamig, lamig. Pasok na ako. Lamig. Okay, how do you feel today, ma?
Oh, I feel great.
Why?
And blessed to be here in San Diego, California. Why? It's a different country. I've encountered a lot of people.
Puro Englishan.
Puro Inglisan.
Puro Englishan tayo.
Puro
tonight.
Inglisan. Matatangos ang mga ilo.
Yeah. People are great.
Puro Inglisan at in English, machika. Machika-chika.
Socializing talaga. Tomorrow, mag-play pa ng pickleball. We haven't done that before. Good morning. Hello guys, good morning from our hotel dito sa Coronado Island. Di na tayo nakapag-close ng vlog kagabi kasi tulog na agad. Pero I hope, diba, nagkaroon kayo ng glimpse how San Diego, California feels like or looks like. Kasi first time din natin dito. And it's nice to meet my colleagues again. Nakaka-inspire to work harder. Nakaka-inspire maging mahusay. Mahusay sa trabaho, meeting them. Dave, yes. I'm great. How are you? To the church. Okay. Yes, Sacred Heart. Right. Sacred Heart Parish. Ayun. So this is something that we're thankful, guys, Sunday today. So magpunta tayong simbahan. Pakita ko lang sa yung morning in Coronado Island here in San Diego. Nag-Uber tayo ngayon. Maupay tira sa lakyanan, no? Social.
It's clean.
Clean. It's nice here. Really such a blessing. Tapos feel ko fruit ito talaga ng hard work natin. Kahit pa paano napagsabay natin yung traveling, content creation, and winning, at work. Diba? Pero, lang tayo, go with the flow lang. Ganda. Ganda ng mga bahay dito. So yun guys. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, here from San Diego. Maraming salamat sa panonood.